GST provisions for e-commerce transactions in India. Registration requirements. 1. Mandatory registration. E-commerce operators are required to register under GST, regardless of their turnover. This includes online platforms that facilitate the supply of goods or services. 2. Voluntary registration. Small e-commerce sellers whose aggregate turnover does not exceed the threshold limit for GST registration may opt for voluntary registration to avail of input tax credits, ITC. Tax collection at source, TCS. 1. Applicability. E-commerce operators are required to collect tax at source, TCS, on the gross value of taxable supplies made through their platforms. 2. Rate of TCS. The rate of TCS under GST is generally 1%, 0.5% CGST plus 0.5% SGST, or 1% IGST for intrastate and interstate supplies, respectively. 3. Exemptions. TCS is not applicable to e-commerce operators that are subject to tax collected at source, TCS, under the Income Tax Act, 1961. Input tax credit, ITC. 1. Claiming ITC. Registered e-commerce operators can claim input tax credit, ITC, on the taxes paid on their purchases, subject to compliance with GST regulations. 2. Restrictions on ITC. ITC cannot be claimed on supplies for which TCS has been collected by the e-commerce operator. Compliance requirements. 1. Filing of returns. E-commerce operators are required to file periodic returns, such as GSTR 8, to report the details of supplies made through their platforms and the TCS collected. 2. Filing by sellers. Sellers on e-commerce platforms are required to file their GST returns, including GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B, to report their sales and pay the applicable taxes. 3. Reconciliation. E-commerce operators and sellers need to reconcile the data reported in their GST returns to ensure accuracy and compliance. Place of supply rules. 1. Determining the place of supply. The place of supply for e-commerce transactions is determined based on the location of the supplier and the recipient as per GST place of supply rules. 2. Interstate transactions. For interstate transactions, IGST is levied, while intrastate transactions attract CGST and SGST UTGST. Compliance with TCS provisions. 1. TCS collection and payment. E-commerce operators are required to collect TCS from the sellers at the time of credit or payment, whichever is earlier. The collected TCS must be paid to the government within the specified time frame. 2. Filing of TCS returns. E-commerce operators need to file TCS returns, such as GSTR 8, to report the details of supplies, TCS collected, and other relevant information.